Soundcore Select 4 Go not connecting or pairing at all? Don't worry. A quick hard reset can fix it in seconds. Here's how. First, turn on the speaker using the power button. Now, here's the key step. Press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume up plus button at the same time. Keep holding them for about 7 to 10 seconds. You'll see the speaker turn off and then back on again. Once you see the blue LED light, that means the reset is complete. This process clears all previous connections and fixes most pairing or glitch issues. Now, go to your phone. Open Bluetooth settings and make sure it's scanning for devices. You'll see Soundcore Select 4 Go appear in the list. Tap to connect, and that's it. Your speaker is now fully reset and ready to use. That's it. A quick reset can fix most any connection problems instantly.